Charity. Charity begins at home. I repeat, charity begins at home. Now, what is charity? Charity is a benevolent goodwill or love of humanity, generosity and helpfulness, especially towards the needy or suffering, and also aid given to those who in need. Do we people actually conceive the right meaning of the word charity? Some show their generosity by donating clothes to charity, and someone perceive it to be donating at times of disaster. There are someone who celebrates in the name of charity. Apparently, they have missed out some elements here, and that is charity is sharing. A person's first responsibility is needs of their own family, and then sharing the same love and happiness to the society. So, dear all, go out and lead the world, but never forget, by leading yourself,